He's not doing it now. Go on, mate, do it again. Come on then, we'll feed him on the way back.